Ain't no way.
Amazing.
Ain't no way she just did that. I know he heard that too. Come on now. You're standing right behind a dude in a quiet room, your hands on your freaking jacket, and like you got a, kind of a thick coat on. You lift your hand up, sit down like quickly, like you're gonna hear like a little. You're gonna hear this. So how you not hear that? You didn't hear that. I would turn back. What you doing? What you doing? You putting your thumbs up? You trying to cheat?